As you guys see the bathroom. I see they got the water heater for the pool way over here, which works. I like that because I have one of those as well. It really makes the water much, much warmer. And here's the side of the house. How much did you say this was?
I think it's a 5 something.
No, I don't think it's that much. JP, what's the costing on this?
This one is just below 6 million.
Okay.
368.
368. Thank you. 368,000 USD. And this is it. It's a nice space. And of course you can design it any way you want when it comes to your interior. And yeah. And it has a nice pool, obviously. Gotta have that. You probably noticing that. Then of course you got a place to brine. Or put a gas hob in there if you choose. Yeah. This is that. So that's your neighbors over there. And then matter of fact, I'm gonna walk over here. There's a place for the kids to play over here, which is cool. And that's all part of the estate itself. It's not part of your home. So for this here, you're doing okay. So that's your house. You got, 2-car garage and an additional car garage over there. And it's put together pretty well in the way it looks. Of course, you got a lime tree over there. So I think you said 368,000 and you're in, and you're literally in. So I'm gonna go upstairs and show you what the upstairs looks like. This is one bedroom. I'm gonna breeze through these real quick. But you got that, hey. And then you can actually set it up where you can open this up and step out there, make it like a deck. And then for that room, it has its own toilet, shower, bath, which is cool. And then as we're going back, there's another bedroom here. Yeah, plenty of space. And they got the vaulted ceilings, obviously. Oops. Got the vaulted ceilings. And then you got back through here, and there's a bedroom. And once you're in the bedroom, then you can slide back here